Hello dear students, today I will explain decimals objective bits from our Pragada Academy material. See, coming to the first bit of decimals, 5 and 7 hundredths is equal to, they told. Hundredths is nothing but 1 by 100. Tenth is nothing but 1 by 10. Thousandth is nothing but 1 by 1000. Here 5 and means 5 plus 7 hundredths. 7 hundredths means by 100 you should take. So nothing but 5 plus 7 by 100 is nothing but 0.07. Why? Because if you have two zeros in the denominator, you should take the decimal point after two digits. So we have 7, we don't have other digit, that's why you need to take the 0 and put the decimal point. So 5 plus 0.07 is nothing but 5, you can write as 5.00 and 0.07. If you add them, you will get 7, 0, decimal, 5 plus 0, 5. So 5.07 will be the answer. B option is correct. The second bit, 63 thousandths is equal to. 63 thousandths is nothing but 63 by 1000. If you observe this fraction, we have 3 zeros in the denominator. That's why you need to keep the decimal point after 3 digits. But we have the decimal point here. So we have 3 zeros. So 3 digits after you should take the decimal point. But we have 2 digits only. To get the other digit, you need to place 0, 6, 3. And then you need to shift this decimal point to front. So 0.063 will be the answer. So if you have the zeros in the denominator, you need to move the decimal point to left side. We got 0.063. So coming to third bit, the value of 5 plus 7 by 10 plus 3 by 1000. 5 plus 7 by 10 is nothing but 0.7 plus 3 by 1000 0.003. Why? Because we have 3 zeros. That's why you need to keep the decimal point after 3 digits. How to add these numbers? So first of all, you should take the 5 as 5.000. Why? Because after decimal point we have the 3 digits maximum. That's why 3 zeros you need to keep. So 0.7 already we have 1 digit. So you need to keep the 2 digits. And then you need to add 0.003 for this. If you add all these numbers, you will get 307 decimal point 5. So the answer will be 5.703. So which option is correct? Option B is correct. Fourth bit, 2 kilometers 7 meter is equal to nothing but 2 kilometers plus 7 meter you should write. But if you observe the options, all the options in kilometer, we already know 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meters. From that, 1 meter is nothing but 1 by 1000 kilometer. Here we have 2 kilometer, you should take 2 kilometer only. But in the place of 7 meter, you should write 7 by 1000 kilometers. Why? Because our options in the kilometer only. That's why we should convert the meters into kilometers. So 2 plus 7 by 1000 is nothing but 0.007 kilometer. You should take the common. So this answer will be 2.007 kilometer. So 2.007 kilometer means option C is correct. Coming to fifth one, the value of 1.1 into 0.1 into 0.01. So 1.1 you should write as 11 by 10. Why? Because after 1 digit you have the decimal point. That's why 10 in the denominator. Into 0.1 means 1 by 10. 0.01 means 1 by 100. Why? Because after 2 digits you have the decimal point. That's why you will get 100. Now multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. 11 into 1 into 1, 11 only. 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11. 10 into 10 into 100 is nothing but 10,000. If you observe the denominator, we have 4 zeros. That's why you need to keep the decimal point after 4 digits. Already we have 2 digits. So you need to place the 2 digits, 2 zeros, 1 1 and put the decimal point. So 0.0011 will be the answer. Option B is correct. 3. Coming to sixth one, 0.003 into 0.2 is equal to 0.003 is nothing but 3 by 1000 into 0.2 is nothing but 2 by 10. So 3 2s are 6, 1000 into 10, 10,000. So again we have 4 zeros in the denominator. You should place the decimal point after 4 digits. But we have only 1 digit. You need to take the 3 zeros and then put the decimal point 0. So 0.0006 will be the answer. Option D is correct. These are the few objective bits from our Pragada Academy material. Thank you.